Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am from Konkan and today I am going to make fresh jackfruit sabzi. You can see this is fresh jackfruit. You know jackfruit's recipe is a very special food and many people love this recipe. Now I am cleaning the jackfruits and you can see first we remove the outer skin. You know cleaning jackfruits is a very difficult, but I like this task. And this process takes some time, but this is important part of making this traditional village style special dish. Look at this fresh jackfruit pieces. After cleaning, we remove the seeds from the jackfruit pieces, and you know these seeds are also useful. It can be used many traditional recipes. Now I am removing outer layer of jackfruit seeds and preparing them for the sabji. For this process I am using stone, and you can see how I am doing this. How many of you like this sabji? Please comment me. And during the rainy season we roast this jackfruit seed on the chula and enjoy eating them. Now I am cutting the fresh onion and chili. Look here, this is a fresh onion and green chili. Now I am cleaning the jackfruit piece using water. You know this is important task. I am using traditional stove blower to give air to the fire. Now I am pouring the oil in the traditional pot. I think oil is getting hot, so now I am adding a mustard seed. And the sound and smell of the tempering makes the recipe very delicious. You can hear tempering sound. And now I am adding fresh onion and chili. And this is a turmeric powder, and I am adding turmeric powder in this sabji. And now it's time to add jackfruit piece into the tempering. Now I am mixing everything well. The traditional cooking method makes the taste very delicious. And after that water is needed to sabji, so I add water. Now sabji is almost ready, so I am adding grated coconut, coriander and salt. And finally our jackfruit sabji is ready, and I serve it on the banana leaf. This is the real flavor of Konkan village food.